What happens if I ignore a subpoena in a criminal case?
Not good things. Do not ignore a subpoena. A subpoena is literally a court order, or at least it has the effect of a court order, commanding you to come and testify in a courtroom or in front of a grand jury, or to bring documents, or to do some combination of both. What can happen if you ignore a subpoena? A warrant can be issued for your arrest. You could be held in contempt. You could do some actual jail time, and it will almost certainly cost you money. So what can you do? One kind of subpoena is just a subpoena to come and testify as a third-party witness. You just happen to see something, or you were there, and they want your testimony about what happened. If there's no reason to think that you incriminate yourself, you can simply just answer the subpoena. Some kind of subpoenas call for the production of documents and may suggest that you're the one that's under investigation. In that situation, it's always good to talk to an attorney to see if you have some sort of criminal liability yourself and what can be done to combat that subpoena. Sometimes you might not be sure whether you have criminal liability or whether there's something that you should be worried about. That's another good instance when you should talk to an attorney so they can help you through the process. What can attorneys do to help you? The first thing they can do is object to the subpoena if it's overbroad or if it's asking for things that are privileged. They may be able to negotiate for more time, for a more convenient time and place for you to comply with the subpoena. And maybe most importantly, they can work with the prosecutor or work with the other side to find out whether you're a target or whether you're just a witness. And they can give you good advice as to whether you have something to fear in complying with the subpoena. If you're in doubt, it's best to talk to a lawyer, figure out the lay of the land, and get some professional help in deciding how and when to comply with the subpoena. But don't just ignore it altogether.